Hello, everyone, and welcome to February 2025. February is a time of year that can be daunting to face as educators in the United States. There are not as many days off as other months in the school year, and there are many duties during this time. One way to boost energy is by attending professional development related to your position. When attending professional development, here are some helpful tips. Number one, have a central location for note taking, whether it is analog or digital. Number two, make certain all devices you plan to use in the conference or workshop are fully charged. If not, bring a battery backup. Number three, plan for a break for yourself during the professional development, or plan to use the break provided so you have the mental capacity to dive back into the content. I hope these ideas help you as you continue your learning while educating others. Remember, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.